Nope. Austin, don't do it. Don't do it. Hey, stop the car.
Dude, for real. Go.
Stop the car. Just hang on.
No, because I'm not about to be in trouble for something that my motherfucker.
Okay.
No.
Hey, how are you? Doing okay?
Hell yeah.
Sheriff's office. Hey, come here for a minute. Come here. Because they said something about you might be taking some stuff out of the department.
Out of there?
Yeah, you ain't got nothing in your bag?
My twin's in there though right now.
You got a twin in there?
Just like me.
Really? Wearing the same thing you got?
No. But she doesn't have red hair. You better.
Okay. Well, we'll figure that out here in just a second.
Okay.
Come here. They said that you come out of the dressing room with a bunch of tags, popping tags. Is that true?
No, I got a baby.
Okay. Well, come over here so we can figure it out.
Huh?
Come over here so we can figure it out. Where are you going to?
Nowhere. Hold on.
All right, listen.
What?
Don't do that.
Under Terry versus Ohio, a loss prevention report of tag removal constitutes specific articulable facts, a valid predicate for an investigative stop. This is not a traffic stop. The identification obligation under Florida statute, section 856.021, applies to any lawful investigative detention.
Nope. Austin, don't do it. Don't do it. 970, call me 65 and 28 out of Florida. India, Hotel 1, 5 Gulf Pop. Hey, stop the car.
Dude, for real. Go.
Stop the car. Just hang on.
No, because I'm not about to be in trouble for something that my motherfucker.
Okay.
No.
They said that they're witnessing you popping tags. Let's just figure it out.
Well, I wasn't.
Okay, that's fine. We'll figure it out. Pull up here for a minute, Austin.
What happened?
We're trying to get to the bottom of it. Loss prevention's got her in there popping tags off of items.
But I hear my twins in there too.
10-4, Columbia.
Yeah.
I'm dealt with that vehicle up here at Walmart. Okay, you got a twin?
Yes.
She does, actually.
Okay, that's fine.
She ain't even came out yet.
Okay, that's fine. Did she ride up here with you?
No.
Alright. Austin, pull it up here real quick just so we can figure it out.
Why do I have to pull it?
Listen, dude, it's fine. If she ain't done nothing, we're gonna get to the bottom of it. I got you. I understand that. Alright. Just pull up here and let's figure it out.
Oh, can they just pull me over on the road?
No.
Why? I do another.
Dude, they're saying that she's taking items out of there.
But I'm telling you, I have my baby shit. Okay.
Okay, that's fine. And if you do, that's fine.
Her own shit. Okay.
All right, let's pull up here so we're not blocking this. We'll get it figured out.
Tell them to pull me over.
Don't work that way, man.
I mean, y'all are gonna miss her ass because her ass was right behind me.
I did nothing wrong.
Okay, that's fine.
They can pull me over down the road.
Listen to me. Pull up here so we can talk.
I did nothing wrong.
Go.
77, Columbia. 43, the female has fled out of the store and into a vehicle. Could be in that vehicle. Hey. 43. They're going to be headed out towards the Bascom Norris. A white male by the name of Austin in the vehicle. They're headed back towards Cedar Park. I got to get more 43 from AP, but they're advising that they were popping tags off the items and putting them in a bag.
The subject argued she was not required to provide identification because this was not a traffic stop. That argument has no legal basis. Heibel versus the 6th Judicial District Court, decided in 2004, holds that states may compel a name during any lawful investigative stop. The officer correctly stated this on camera. It is the law, not a request. When the subject fled the store and entered the vehicle, stop authority transferred under United States versus Hensley. A vehicle stop based on a dispatch description is constitutionally valid when the underlying reasonable suspicion exists at the time of the stop.
I think she's trying to signal 9 some jewelry and other items.
Hey, how y'all doing? Austin?
Yeah.
Columbia, give me another unit over here. What y'all doing, man?
What do you mean?
11-8-7-51.
Why'd y'all take off from Walmart like that?
Well, I didn't have nothing wrong
Because
with
neither one of us had anything to do with it. I have a twin sister, bro, and she's still in there. In the dressing room.
It's not Jasmine. What is it?
My twin sister, Nick, like, he kept on saying, like, me and him had something to do with it. And I got out of there because my sister was in there doing dumb
Why are you
shit.
breathing so heavy? Where's your sister at?
She's
No,
gone.
she was in
We
it.
left her ass.
Who's your sister?
But she looked just like me, dog. We're identical twins.
Are y'all?
Hell yeah.
Y'all got ID?
Yeah, you actually look it up. Right there with twins.
Y'all got ID on you?
Fuck no.
You don't have ID?
No, you can look my name up.
Okay.
I got an idea. Yeah. But the reason I left was because I didn't have the wrong.
No, but
That's fine.
she's still over there at the Walmart.
Well, question.
Yeah.
Do I have to give you my ID? Is it a traffic stop?
Left 59 from me. I'm 77. Yes, you do.
What's the traffic stop?
It's not a traffic stop.
So what do I do?
Alright, nice one.
It's an investigation is what it is. So give me the
I have to
ID.
give you my ID for
Yes, you do.
investigation?
You can go to jail if you want.
For what?
For resisting, if that's what you want to do. We can go that
I'm not
route.
resisting at all.
Okay, I'm doing an investigation run.
Why?
If you're not going to give me your ID, then yes, you are resisting.
How is that resisting that?
It's resisting without violence, without failure to identify yourself.
No.
Okay.
Okay, my name's Miranda.
I thought you had to have fucking...
Buddy, I'm not here by accident.
No.
Just so you know.
No, but I left because I didn't...
11-8-7-12.
Okay, and I'm investigating it. If you didn't do anything wrong, then that's the big deal.
I mean, no, but I'm saying, like, me,
Where the fuck the person was?
me as the driver did absolutely nothing wrong regardless, okay?
Well, we're going to figure all that out, man.
I mean, like, you look
Just
at security
cooperate,
cameras
okay?
or whatever. I mean...
And that's what they're doing. So, what's the big deal? I get your ID. What's the big deal?
Well, I'm just saying, it's, like, kind of weird that, like...
It's weird.
Yeah. it is
What's weird about it?
That the one cop told me I wasn't allowed to leave, and I was like, why? I've been sitting in the truck doing nothing wrong, okay? I'm allowed to leave,
I went in
right?
there to check on my fucking
Well,
sister.
I don't know what the other officer told you,
And my fucking bitch ass sister was
but you're not free to leave right now. So,
Okay.
what's your first name?
Miranda?
Miranda.
Hey. It's probably.
What's your middle name? It's not a big deal, man. We're just trying to figure out.
Oh, well, you know what I'm saying? Just like if the cop would have just, been calm.
But I can't control what he did.
I know.
But don't take it out on me, okay?
But I mean, he didn't even go look to go see.
Well, he didn't have time.
What do you mean?
If you're leaving, he's
no,
trying
There's
to.
two other girls in the fucking Walmart.
I mean, like that's what.
Why you think
I
I
wouldn't have
do?
left. I wouldn't
Who
have left.
else is in there?
My twin sister and her friend Amanda.
What's your twin sister? What's her name?
Madison.
Okay. Left 59 971. Correction 970. 10-4. Apparently you're gonna have another female that is an identical twin to this female, Madison. She's still 10-12 in the store. They're supposedly signal mining items in there.
But he's watching. He wants the suspect to get out and come in this vehicle.
All right, that's her.
Ripped up white jeans and a white crop top. Yep.
This is Miranda. The other one is Madison. I've never met this one. I've met the other one.
And she's saying she has a twin sister in the
She
store.
does. They have a twin. She does have a
She's
twin.
wearing the exact same thing with the matching gray bag.
What she claims.
Yeah, doubt that.
All right, I'm gonna pull her out.
All right, get her. Yes. I'm right here. No, I'm not. I'm sorry.
Are you 10-15?
Is he?
Yeah, we got her now. So
Oh my lord.
okay. We're about to pull.
Get out.
I'll call you back.
What are you? What's the hang up there?
I don't know, y'all are all three big as fuck.
Yeah, hop out.
Come on.
Okay. Oh shit, my pants got a hole in them. Hey, hold on.
Let go. Let go of the shit.
I was just putting it down for you. Damn. You ain't have to do that.
I ain't doing nothing.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
You been
You're
rude as
resisting.
fuck, dog.
I ain't even said a word to you.
Hey, can I get somebody else handle my ass?
No. Hey,
Put them tight too. I love it.
Just cooperate.
Hey, what was about the card thing?
Can you stop
Card
moving,
thing?
please?
But look at my fucking wrist, dude. The fucking burn. A fucking burn on my arm. I damn. Good. I love it. I'm used to it. My ass hanging out. I got a hole in my pants.
I'll let you.
She got the Browning tattoo on her right inside hip too, buddy.
Yeah, he gave
Hell
that.
yeah. I damn sure
They
do.
described it.
Okay, and my sister got a matching one.
The bag search revealed stolen merchandise. This provided independent probable cause to search the vehicle under the automobile exception established in California versus Carney. No warrant is required when probable cause exists that a vehicle contains contraband. The scale found in the vehicle is legally significant. Under Illinois versus Gates, probable cause is evaluated under the totality of circumstances. Loss prevention report, flight, stolen goods, a scale, each fact independently suspicious. Combined, they establish overwhelming probable cause.
Hey, nigga, you better bomb me. I swear to God, bro.
Alright, come on, go.
What, go on? Let's get it, little baby.
I'll move when I'm ready.
I don't know. He's holding me all tight and shit. Hell yeah.
Chill out. Damn.
Well, fuck you. Y'all burnt.
I'm not trying to be rough with you. Just calm down.
Hey, listen. Who, him?
Stop. That's a reason to stop. Whatever. That's crazy. Well, yes, it is actually. It's the law. It's
What law? What statute is that?
Well, what statute says y'all can say whatever y'all want, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, what's it? Right?
My fucking pants got a hole down in the bra. Hey, can y'all take me to Walmart and go whoop that bitch's ass?
That is, but
The bitch that just fucking goddamn got this shit started. The fuck? Somebody think
Whose vehicle is this?
ass.
Mine.
wait, you gonna put her in that one? Tell me.
The fuck he do?
Come on. Have a seat. Hey,
Can I get a cigarette, bro, please?
if you cooperate, I don't mind.
Please, they're in the car,
Come
bro.
have a seat for me.
Oh my god.
You got anything on you at all? Any drugs or
I mean,
anything?
fuck. Let me check my bra. I can't shake my bra out, bro. Check it out, for
I have
real.
a female over here.
I don't
okay?
give a fuck, dog.
I'm not touching
For
you.
real.
Get over here. Get in the car.
The Prius. Hey, look, for real, though. Can I get a cigarette, dog?
If
I
you
got a
get
hole
in
in
the
my
car,
pants.
Yeah. There. Okay, she's here already. Come on.
Hey, look. Listen, look.
You got any illegal drugs on you?
No, but look, my sister and that girl, bro, handed me a diaper bag, bro, and I already seen a buddy fucking bitch animal, so I took off running. That's why I look like suspicious, bro.
Okay.
You hear me?
Yes, ma'am. She said, my twin sister handed me a diaper bag, bro, and then, yeah, they started bitching, and I took off running. I was like, sure.
Clothes, dog toys.
Those are brand.
juice,
Those are brand new too.
Dog shampoo. Those are used. That was brand new, right?
Yeah. Those brand new.
Yeah. You got charges on what's his name? Yeah.
I don't think he has.
It's always a good sign. Yep, there it is. This is stuff they really knew she stole. Bunch of shit. More jewelry stuff.
Yeah, they said jewelry too.
Stolen. Hey, she also may not even be.
Huh?
She also may be yours. Well, you didn't say you.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Damn.
Daggone.
What was that?
Right there.
I literally,
He does now.
First thing he says, not.
I said, giant torch lighter. Oh, shit. The torch lighter stuck out first. Anybody got a test?
Yeah.
Actually,
Is that even real?
That might not even.
that might be horse feed.
Let me see.
I've come across it. If that's real meth,
That's some clean ass meth if it is. It might be.
It's all different shark
Hey,
shapes.
bro, go ahead and smell it. Is that a scale? It could be.
Don't. Yeah, hold on.
That's some clean
He's
ass.
stewing and see, I want him to be super concerned right now with us searching the car.
Oh, dude, he was definitely paranoid.
That's why he just wants to get out.
He
They're
gassed.
just letting
No, yeah, he gassed up and was trying to leave whenever I pulled in.
dude, a scale. Hey, some girl kid.
I am curious to see if that's real or not.
He's
That-
like,
that is-
he goes,
I gotta see if this is real.
He goes, nada.
I was like, not a torch lighter. Oh shit, a meth. I was like, the torch lighter stuck out first.
Scale too.
yes, ma'am.
She tried to put her legs to it. I ain't trying to do shit.
Okay.
See, look, y'all bust my. Look, this what you do. Hell no, that was from. Damn shoes back on. I got holes in my pants and shit.
Hold on, no, you ain't getting in my car like that. We putting them back to the bag.
What?
You ain't getting in my car
Holes in my
like
pants.
that.
But push your legs, somebody don't. No shit. Okay. At least y'all put me zip ties in the goddamn shackle.
Hey, step out.
Thank you.
I'm gonna fix them cuffs for you.
I was just trying to put my shoe back on. What?
Big ass bag.
What you on in mouth? Yeah, because I just grabbed my sister's fucking diaper bag.
No, I ain't worried about that.
Oh, yeah, that's mine.
No, it's a big ass bag in there.
That ain't email.
I don't know.
And it's mine.
Turn around for me. Put your hands behind your back.
Yes, sir. Can I get a cigarette?
I told you if you cool with me, I would.
Alright.
Alright? But you can't be putting your cuffs up front, alright? You can't do that.
Hey, look at my ass. Shit hurts, man. Hey, that's mine. That shit's mine. Fuck no. Hell no. Who are you?
Who are you?
The fuck?
Alright, you have a seat back in the car.
How the fuck you know me?
Have a seat back in the car. Alright, you better not get that cigarette. You don't get back in my car.
Please let me get a cigarette too. Oh fuck, the whole reason I did that is to put my shoe back on.
Oh, well, he left that part. It's alright, man. We'll put him back on in the jail. You're gonna have to take him off anyways.
Alright, hey.
Watch out. Okay, watch out.
Hey, please.
Ooh. Watch out. I don't want to shut the door on
bro.
you.
I can't even scoot over.
Scoot back. Just scoot back. Scoot back. Did it test? Damn.
Don't touch it. It swears.
I didn't let him.
Don't you touch that, swears. But there is Narcan up.
You tested it, right?
Yeah, dude, instant.
So what's the huh?
Instant. Blue. That is blew up blue. But there might be some more.
I'd say that's a trafficking amount.
2.5, 3 ounces of meth.
Yeah, that's a good bit of meth, bro.
14 grams.
The field drug test returned blue, a positive reaction for methamphetamine. Florida statute, section 893.135, sets the trafficking threshold at 14 grams of amphetamine or methamphetamine. Officers estimated a trafficking weight quantity, a mandatory minimum sentence applies. The deputy receives an A-. The Terry stop was legally sound. De-escalation was maintained throughout. The on-camera explanation of the identification obligation was legally accurate and represents exactly the kind of transparency that builds public trust. Miranda receives a D. She fled the store, argued an incorrect legal position, and was found with trafficking weight methamphetamine. A cash bond of $253,000 reflects the severity of a mandatory minimum trafficking charge under Florida law. Key lesson: flight from an investigative encounter does not end the investigation. It creates new legal exposure and often leads officers directly to additional evidence. If lawfully detained, provide your name. Invoke your right to silence on other questions. Do not argue legal theories that have already been settled by the Supreme Court. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more content.
14 grand.